When Masita was abducted, Lord Rama searched everywhere. He has called out to the Godavari river, the trees, the animals, and the mountains, who has taken my Sita? But the forest remained silent. The fear of Ravana has silenced even the nature itself. Overcome with grief and anger, Lord Rama lifted his bow and declared that he could destroy the entire world like Lord Rudra. At that intense moment, Lakshmana stepped forward and spoke with calm wisdom. Chandre Lakshmi Prabha Surye Gatir Vayuh Bhuvikshama Yetatu Niyamam Sarvam Paichanuttamam Yeshaha. It means the moon has the nature of coolness, the sun has the nature of brightness, the wind has the nature of constant movement, and the earth has the nature of patience. Brother, your nature is Dharma, and your fame, Yashaha, exists because you follow Dharma, and that eternal rule must never be abandoned. Then Lakshmana reminded him, Ekasyena paradena sarvan hantu nihartasi. It means, for the mistake of one person, should the entire world be destroyed? Here lies a deeper truth. Lakshmana himself had made the mistake by leaving Ma Sita alone, yet Lord Rama didn't insult him. Instead, Lord Rama listened. That is the greatness of Lord Rama. Because every human being makes mistakes, and Ma Sita represents peace in everyone's life. Once the peace is lost, struggles began everywhere. Today, the world fears global conflicts and the possibility of World War III. But the Ramayana teaches us a timeless law, even international law follows the same principles. Under Article 1 of the Charter of the United Nations, nations must maintain international peace and security and resolve disputes through peaceful means instead of force. In other words, the world itself has written a law for peace. But law works only when leaders are willing to listen. When powerful leaders of the nation refuse to listen, the sufferings spreads across the nations. Even today, we see leaders like Donald Trump taking decisions while many voices ask for restraint. And that is why this ancient lesson still matters today. Power does not make a person great. The ability to listen to truth, even when it comes from someone who made a mistake, is what preserves dharma, peace, and the world itself.